Siri decides to save for a new MacBook. She needs $2,500 for the model she wants with software she just can't live without. Her goal is to save money for 3 years. That tells me that T equals 3, and she needs, that's her future value, that she needs $2,500. And if she saves money for 3 years and then buys the MacBook outright, then it'll be completely paid. If her savings account earns 1.2% APR, how much does she need to save each month? So I see a couple more things each month. So that's going to be the N is 12. And here we have the R equals 0.012. And the T, again, they're telling us one more time the T is 3. So we need to think about, is she depositing one chunk of money and letting it sit for 3 years, or is she making regular fixed sized deposits every month? And it's the latter. She's making regular fixed size deposits every month. So we definitely need an annuities formula. And then once we decide on annuities, so then we have to ask which annuities formula to use, and we either have to find the future value or we have to find the payment that she's going to make. And since we're given the future value, it sounds like we are going to be finding the payment. So we need that formula that solves for the payment equals the future value. So there's our future value times the quantity R over N over the quantity 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power, all of that minus 1. And when I plug in my values, then I'll have the payment equals future value, which is $2,500, and R is 0.012 divided by N, which is 12, over 1 plus 0.012 divided by 12 to the 12 times how many years? 3 years minus 1. All right, so I plugged in all the values. Go ahead and see if you can work this one out and then check back in on the video. So you might want to pause and then check back in to see if you got what I got.